A family is sharing their close call with carbon monoxide. Just last week, we told you about the dangers snow, ice, and cold weather can bring to your home. Now we're hearing from those who dealt with these dangers firsthand. The Jolly family tells us they had been feeling sick for days. They called 911 when a family member left the house for a few hours and then smelled gas when they came back. The firefighters told them levels reached more than 10 times the safe limit, and then they learned the cause.
Absolutely terrifying. They had us all evacuate the house and came in and tried to determine first, do we have a leak of some sort with a propane gas on any of our appliances or our furnaces, and that didn't seem to be the case. So they knew to look immediately to see if the snow had blocked any of the exhaust pipes, which had happened, and it was just backing up into our basement.
The family says it was a close call and are very thankful. They've since installed carbon monoxide detectors throughout their home and called experts to resolve their exhaust issues.
Coming up.